morning. Ayun no. So meron tayo ditong parang pinato yung adobo. Sarap. At syempre coffee. Hi friendship, papunta na tayo sa Port Moody. Kasama natin si Baby. So samahan nyo kami sa biyahe namin ni Baby. We'll giving you some beautiful shots. Oh, ang ganda ng weather ngayon, no? Na Baby? What's meron?
Traffic.
Sana sandali lang. Pahinga muna tayo. CN.
Yan yung train.
Oh,
May kli
yung ano
lang.
yung engine lang.
Saan tayo pupunta today?
Pupunta po tayo ngayon sa Port Moody.
Okay,
Yan.
anong gagawin natin doon?
Sasaksak po tayo ng vitamin C tsaka DCA.
You're going to get treatment.
Oh baby, Cybertruck.
Para siyang pangkat-kat ng yelo
Galing Calgary.
Panghalo-halo ang dating. I don't like it.
Ay,
So, ano pakiramdam mo today?
okay naman. Bali yung kinain nating brunch naka-energize sa akin.
Pang how many days na ba? From the time na nag-chemo ka?
Bali today is day 6.
Okay.
Friday na rin Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day 6. Exit 11. We're gonna go through, so from Richmond, we're gonna go through New West, Coquitlam.
Coquitlam ba bago mag-Port Moody? Port Moody before Coquitlam?
No, Coquitlam and then Port Moody.
Okay.
Yan, mga friends, nandito na tayo sa New Westminster. So nasa taas tayo ngayon ng hill.
Hill.
Ngayon bababa tayo dito.
lang malayo to work natin eh.
Oh, pero may SkyTrain dito.
Oo, pero I
Accessible
mean,
lang SkyTrain.
diba, napakaganda oh. Ang cute ng ano rito, ng community. Parang little town. Sobrang tahimik.
Destination dito sa may Cafe Divano. Yan sa right.
Ito na tayo. Mamaya na lang ulit.
See you.
To prepare your vein.
To dilate the veins.
To dilate your vein.
So guys, katatapos lang ng IVC tsaka yung DCA. This is twice a week. Ito yung part na hindi libre. So, ito yung medyo mahal. And tsaka yung consultation sa kaya importante guys na meron tayo mga insurance like critical illness, life insurance kasi makakakuha ka doon kahit pa paano na baby na. Like sa life insurance, hindi mo kailangang mamatay para makuha yung benefits. Yung mga insurance ngayon, when you are diagnosed with a very grave disease, you can already avail 50 to 100%.
Pero they need to check it with their insurance company.
Oh, you need to check yung fine print or kung bibili ka ng insurance, meron bang ganung feature na
Sorry.
meron bang ganung feature na early, ano tawag, I don't know, parang may tawag sila dun eh. Not early redemption but rather advance, mag-a-advance ka na dun sa life insurance mo.
Pero not everyone is offering that. Oo.
Not everyone, pero yeah.
Pero tanong, it's not bad to ask kung meron. Diba? In our case, meron kasi pala tayo noon.
Hindi namin alam.
Hindi natin alam.
15 years ago, akala namin pag, just in case somebody dies, yung tawag dito, yung remnant o yung maiiwan na makukuha. Pero ganun pala yun na meron palang ganung feature yung insurance namin na up to 50%.
Applicable lang yon sa mga permanent insurance.
Permanent insurance, hindi term insurance, right?
Hindi term insurance. Yeah.
Yeah, so ang consequence nun, tuloy-tuloy na yung premium mo, right? And
pero, insured ka pa din.
Kunyari, something happens, wag naman, no? If you still,
Insured ka pa
if
din.
you still die, yung
Family
beneficiary
member
mo,
yeah.
makukuha niya yung natitira dun sa
Exactly.
natitira. Now, ang tanong, kailangan bang bayaran yung ni-advance? Binabayaran ba yung advance?
Hindi. Patuloy lang yung premium.
Premium, oo. Tapos, kunyari, kung magkano na lang natira, kunyari 50-40% na lang natira, yun na mapupunta dun sa mo. beneficiary mo.
Now, when you're buying life insurance, magtanong mabuti dun sa advisor, ano yung mga benefits nung insurance nila para they can avail that pag kailangan nila.
Yun. Tapos, so yung critical illness, ganun din. Some people, they opt out of critical illness. Pero hindi ko sasabi like 15 years ago, hindi, ang mentality namin ni baby, baka hindi natin magamit yan. Pero, di ba, hindi mo naman kaya predict kung ano mangyayari.
Oo.
So, mabuti na yung meron kang mahuhugot kahit papano. But then again, hindi mo ikayayaman yun. It's just enough for you to for your expenses na on top of dun sa conventional therapy. Sinasabi libre ang medical sa Canada, but it's
Hindi enough.
It's yung treatment. But if you wanted to get the kumbaga specialist services na private, then you have to pay for it. And mahal ang private. Mahal para kang nasa Pilipinas. But if you have that protection, then well and good. Diba? Lalo na kung kunyari yung trabaho mo is very high risk, yung masyadong physical or something, then you need, all the more na you need to protect yourself and your loved ones. Diba, baby?
Critical illness will give you the peace of mind habang nagpapagaling ka. Yung pondo na makukuha mo doon, magagamit mo yon for your other things like itong ginagawa mo.
Kesa yung maubos yung savings mo. Right? So at least meron ka mahugot, and by God's grace, hopefully by that time na ma-use up mo na siya,
magaling ka na.
You're on your way na. You're on your way to a longer life. Diba? A better life.
Isipin mo, meron ka nang ang sakit, iniisip mo pa yung finances mo, doble-doble yung yung stress mo, diba? So maganda, nakafocus ka lang sa paggaling mo, hindi mo iniisip yung finances mo, or sa muhugutin yung pambayad ng mga bills mo, doon papasok yung insurance mo. So,
nowadays, siguro baby, ang kunin mong critical illness, maliit na ngayon ng 50,000.
If you can get 100 or more, if you can, kumuha ka. And don't wait na wag mag-antay habang healthy ka, habang bata ka, kumuha ka. A lot of people, dinidelay nila yung pagkuha. Huwag yung panghinayangan yung pagkuha ng critical illness. In your case, ilang taong ka nung kumuha ka nun?
I was 35.
Yeah, you're very healthy during that time.
So, diba? Mababa ang premium.
Exactly.
I'm very young. Si baby very young. So, mababa ang...
And mas madali kang ma-approve.
Kasi wala kang pre-existing conditions.
Pero once na nagkaroon ka ng condition, what will happen?
Hindi ka
na ma-approve.
Hindi ka ma-approve basta-basta.
Yeah.
Parang kailangan mo nang iayusin yung sakit mo. Yeah. So, yan, yung mga critical illness like heart disease, cancer, mga critical illness na stroke, yan. Importante na meron kang coverage, lalo na kung wala ka naman masyadong ipon, diba? So that was one of the first thing na ginawa namin bago kami dito na baby. Yung sweldo namin is minimum of the minimum.
Yeah.
Right? Yung insurance namin,
yun ang inuna natin.
Yung inuna namin na kahit na kumakain siya ng 1/3 ng sweldo, ngayon maliit na lang siya ng sweldo namin kasi overtime tumataas ang sweldo mo, hindi mo na nararamdaman. Pero during that time, ramdam namin that, but we realize, hey, wala tayong pera, wala tayong resources,
wala tayong family.
If something happens to us, anong mangyayari sa atin? So we decided na kumuha. And then
napakinabangan natin.
We never thought about it na syempre hindi mo hihilingin na magkasakit ka para makuha yung pera.
Tsaka madali lang naman mag-claim. Online
Oo.
lang lahat, di ba?
Online lang, as sure as kailangan mo of course, tatanungin nila ospital, yung doktor mo,
Oo.
right? And you need to provide, sila mag-provide documentation, tapos yung ano mo rin, yung claim mo, yung, ang tawag din ba, statement mo or something. Yung nagkiklaim ka na mayroon akong ganito yung sakit.
Oo.
And it will be backed up by your healthcare. Ang maganda rin sa Canada, lahat ng records mo centralized.
Oo.
So,
Ang daling hugutin.
So hindi mo kailangan hanapin kung nasaan yung insurance ko
Oo.
or ano na yung mga ginawa sa akin for the past 15-20 years.
Oo.
Nasa database and it's accessible to all medical practitioners.
Tama.
Madaling hugutin.
Mm-mm.
So madaling ma-approve yung sa akin, mga less than a month na-approve na ako eh. Diba?
Mm-mm.
So ibibigay na sa iyo yung lump sum, it's tax free. Pero alam mo, pwede mo siyang, yun yung gagamitin mo for your...
Pero in your case, direct deposit natin ginawa, di ba? Or cheque ba? Cheque!
Pinadala tayong check eh.
Right. Cheque nga pala. Cheque.
Yun, lump sum.
Lump
Kung magkano
sum.
yung critical illness mo, yun ang ibibigay sa'yo.
Tama.
Pag na-approve ka. As long as you're very honest in everything, yun nga, ang advantage nga niyan, mas bata ka, wala kang sakit, mas mura ang bayad mo. And then, after mo makuha yung critical illness, of course, hindi ka na pwede ulit
Pwede ka ulit
for another unrelated,
hindi ka na maaprubahan for cancer, pero for other condition, pwede pa ulit. As long as na-rule out na yung una mong condition. Na-resolve na yung una mong condition.
Yun.
Yeah. Advice mo sila, magpunta sila sa advisor nila.
Advice kayo sa, advice kayo. Maraming option ang insurance now. Syempre, you don't necessarily to buy the most expensive one and you don't necessarily need to buy the cheapest one. Dapat yan
Mag-shop around kayo.
Mag-shop around kayo.
And pumunta kayo dun sa trusted na advisor. Not all our advisor are created equal.
So yung and you can always cancel it. Kunyari, after a few hulugs, don't think na nakatali na kayo. If you feel you're uncomfortable, this is not for me, you realize you can always.
Pero dapat, para maiwasan mo yung problema na ganun, get the right insurance from the very beginning. Like in our case, tama yung insurance natin from the very beginning. Kaya, hindi natin kailangan i-cancel. Para hindi ka nag-waste ng money.
Yep.
Okay? Punta muna tayo dun sa
Pure Integrative Pharmacy.
Okay.
Yan guys, nandito na kami sa Pure Pharmacy. Yan, so nandito tayo sa Pure Integrative Pharmacy. Tapat ito ng Royal Columbian Hospital. Yan, so antayin natin yung nire-ready pa yung naltrexone. So muna tayo dito. Yan. Yan si baby. Metagenics, Thorn, Douglas, Advanced, Sisu, Pain Relief. Magkano damage natin, babe? Magkano damage? Ayan, $79. Ceremonial matcha. Ayan, baby.
Iron ko yan.
Thorn Perasorb. Ayan.
Ito yung presyo niya.
Total, with tax, 108. So, yung nasabi natin na hindi libre. Important na meron tayong nakareding kahit papano for emergency, for budget.